guys, thanks for hopping on over. So glad you could join me today. Today we are celebrating Sabrina's 3,000 subscribers with this celebration hop. Congratulations, Sabrina, on hitting this milestone. All the creators in this hop will be creating Slimline cards for you. To follow along this hop, click the hashtag ScrappyTalesSlimline3K. And you'll see all the other videos in the hop. You might even meet some crafters that you haven't seen before. So I would love to invite you to subscribe to our channels and subscribe to Scrappy Tales Crafts. She will be pulling a winner for this hop on her channel. She is giving away 2 gift cards, one to the Not Too Shabby shop and one to Trinity Stamps. Hero Arts, Simon Says Stamp, Honeybee Stamps, Trinity Stamps, and Not Too Shabby. They're each giving away a $25 gift card to their stores. There will be $175 worth of gift cards to 7 lucky winners. And the best part is international is included in the giveaway. So the more you hop and leave a comment, the more chances you have to win. So today for the hop, I will be making this super cute Slimline card. I just love how it turned out. I love this rainbow builder die from Trinity Stamps. And these cute little unicorns are from Not Too Shabby. I used the 2 stamp sets here. One is called Unicorn Magic and the other one is called Unicorn Dreamland. And what's great about these stamps is they work together so well. So I did use these 2 cute unicorns here, and I used the 2 stars and the hearts from this set here, and I used the sentiments from both sets. I did also use this cute little cloud and star, and this is what the Trinity Slimline rainbow die looks like. So it's great for your Slimline cards, but I love it because you could use it for your A2 size card as well. You'll have to just cut down the rainbow. It also has this great border of clouds that I didn't use on today's card. So for my card, I did use rainbow colors in Distress inks, and I also used Distress Oxide ink for my background. I did leave a little white space for clouds. I did color up my images with Copic markers, and I did some white Jelly Roll pen on my sentiment here so it would stand out more. And then I topped it off with some sequins. I did pop up these 2 clouds with foam tape. And on the inside I did put another image. So I'll go through some of the process with you, and I will make it short. I'll fast forward some of it with music, and I'll have a little bit of voiceover for you explaining what I did. So I hope you enjoy the hop, and I hope you enjoyed this card. I'd love to hear your comments down below, and good luck on the hop, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Don't forget to hit that bell so you get notifications on the next video I post. Take care, guys. Now that my Goosebumps is dry, I'm going to spritz this with water and then dab it off with a cloth. This will just give it a little bit of a bleached out look. Let it sit on there for a few seconds, and then I'll just dab it up. That gives it some extra dimension. So we'll let this dry, and then we'll work on our card. I want some blue behind my rainbow, so I'm going to take the broken china and do some ink blending on this panel that I'll add to my card base. I'm going to leave some white spaces, that way it looks cloudy. Now I'll start with the biggest rainbow piece, which is the red, and I'm going to go from one end to the other, right in the corners there. I'll just use my adhesive, my liquid adhesive. Stamp sets, we have some sentiments. So I want to stamp out Wish, Dream, and Sparkle right here in this space. So I'm going to use the VersaFine Clear and a stamping block for this. I'm going to practice off to the side here before I stamp down. Make sure that it's going to stamp properly. And I don't have any fuzzies on my stamp. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, we've got our wish. I feel like our sentiments aren't popping enough. They're too dark. And I thought maybe this white Jelly Roll pen to highlight the sentiment would make it look better. So let's try that. So I'm just going to highlight underneath. Okay, I think that makes it pop a little bit more. Okay, let's add the panel to our card base first. Put our little pieces there. I'm gonna chop the ends off here before I forget. And I'm just gonna put something heavy on here so it dries flat. I'm gonna pop up these clouds. Now for the layout of these cute little unicorns. I went and colored this one with rainbow hair, but then I thought it was too much color. So this will complete my card today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the hop. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.